Using PayPal Pay Later is a convenient way to make purchases and pay for them at a later time. To get started, you need to have a PayPal account. If you don't have one, you can create one by going to the PayPal website and following the sign-up process. Once you have a PayPal account, you can apply for Pay Later, which is a feature that allows you to pay for purchases in installments or defer payment for a short period of time. To apply for Pay Later, log into your PayPal account, go to the Pay Later section, and follow the prompts to apply. When you apply for Pay Later, PayPal will review your credit history and other factors to determine if you are eligible. If you are approved, you can start using Pay Later to make purchases. When you make a purchase using Pay Later, you will be presented with payment options, such as paying in installments or deferring payment for a short period of time. For example, if you make a purchase of $100, you may have the option to pay $25 per month for 4 months, or to defer payment for 30 days. You can choose the payment option that best fits your needs and budget. It is essential to review the terms and conditions of Pay Later before making a purchase. This includes understanding the interest rate, fees, and repayment terms. PayPal charges a late fee if you miss a payment, so it is crucial to make timely payments to avoid additional charges. To make a payment using Pay Later, log into your PayPal account, go to the Activity section, and select the purchase you want to pay for. You can then choose the payment method and confirm the payment. You can also set up automatic payments to ensure that you never miss a payment. Best practices for using Pay Later include making timely payments, reviewing your account activity regularly, and only making purchases that you can afford to pay back. By following these best practices, you can use Pay Later to make purchases with confidence and avoid any potential pitfalls. In summary, using PayPal Pay Later is a convenient way to make purchases and pay for them at a later time. By applying for Pay Later, understanding the terms and conditions, and making timely payments, you can use this feature to make purchases with confidence.